we are here with the minifigure guys. I'm Sebastian. What's your name? Leonard here and Gus, and we're here to show you how to do some cool improvised Lego minifigures. This all started when we were into Ben 10, right? We started doing all the figures of Ben 10. Obviously Disney doesn't, Lego doesn't do minifigures for Ben 10 characters because they're not affiliated. So we improvised, and we did probably, 6 or 7 different guys over the last year. And then it kind of fizzled out, Ben 10 fizzled out, and now we're getting into other shows, and especially since Disney Plus came out, we got into a show called Darkwing
Darkwing.
All right, so this is a show from the early 90s. I was really into it. And let me see if I can go back to it. Go to Disney Plus, which we really like, by the way. All right, so this here is Darkwing Duck. And it's from 1991 to 1993. Really cool show. The boys watched it last night. They really liked it. I watched it with them. And Leonard here, he said, man, I want to build a Lego minifigure of who?
Darkwing Duck.
Darkwing Duck. Do we have Darkwing Duck?
Woohoo!
We do, and we built it, and we're going to show you how. And if you see the picture, that's what we're trying to make it look like. So what we do is we take various different items of minifigures. We took the cape from who? The black cape? Batman. Purple cape from?
Joker.
Zod.
Nod.
Yep, Joker's is a little different. So this one's from Zod. There's also a purple one from Batwoman. Batgirl. Who else?
There's a yellow. We have the yellow caped one.
Yeah, so the yellow wouldn't work. And then we took the head from who?
Huey.
Huey. And these are Huey's legs. They're a little shorter, so we're improvising with, and I won't show you yet until we get to that part, but white legs that we then use yellow construction paper to make the little feet. Cut? What happened? All right. And then we took the body. No cut. You could see that's Joker's body. So what we did was we just turned it around, and we'll have the purple side with the buttons that are the yellow buttons, and then the back side where the cape will go down, so you won't even see it.
So I want to show this.
Show it.
This is tail from Huey.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good job, Leonard. So now where do we get this hat from, Leonard and Gus?
A safari guy.
It's a safari guy, so you can see it's just a simple brown hat. Now, Darkwing Duck doesn't have a brown hat, but that's all right, because once you put it together, if you ask any person who grew up in my era, they would know immediately that's Darkwing Duck. It doesn't need to be a black hat. And again, this is improvising, since A, you probably can't even find a Darkwing Duck Lego figure. You probably have to find it on eBay. And B, we don't have to go to the store. We just go in the Lego bin, pick out all the guys. I'm getting my feet tickled. And make it. So, Leonard, let's show how to do this real quick. I want you to put on the hat, which all we did was put this little piece of black tape rolled up, and we're gonna put it right inside the hat, just like that. And then go ahead and put it on. And then next, you got it? Perfect. Now show how it stays on with a simple black electrical tape. Tip it. There we go. So it stays on. Now, obviously it's not going to be permanent. We don't want it permanent because we're going to want to make Huey again. So put the capes on.
I was just going to put the head on straight.
And while he's doing that, I'll talk about this, where we cut little itty bitty circles out. You can see them right there. Very simple, did it by hand real quick. And then I put a piece of Scotch tape right over top of the chest. And then I cut all the way around until all the tape edges were gone. Good job,
Daddy,
Woogie.
how do we get this straight on the other tape?
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Looks like you got it. All right, so now put the head on. Oh, we missed this little hole. So that hole, that hole. All right, put the head. All right, and then you could just fix the cape a little bit.
Can I put the hands on?
Yep, now we're gonna, actually let's put the tail and the feet. And with the feet, same thing. What I did was I took the edge here and I cut little squares to make it look like this. And obviously it's not gonna look exactly like this. This is manufactured to look like this. We're just improvising with simple construction paper and Scotch tape. And then I taped it. So all we're trying to do is make it look like it. We're not trying to make it him. We're trying to make it look like him. All right, so now we put, whose tail is that?
Huey.
Huey, so now it's gonna look like a real duck. But we took Huey, Batman, Zod, and Joker and turned them into...
And the Safari Hunter.
Oh, and the Safari Hunter. And we turned them into...
Darkwing Duck.
Darkwing Duck.
Da, 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 da.
There must be a million stories about it.
And here we go. All right, so now, there you got Darkwing Duck. Pretty cool, right? You got the black cape on the outside, purple on the inside. And again, you got simple yellow legs now. He's taller, you don't have to use the little legs. If you want to use the little legs, you can. You got the tail, so he's a real duck. And then obviously you can use like purple stickers to make like his mask. But right away, if you were to look at that, anybody would know that's Darkwing Duck if they know the show. So, let's get dangerous. Let's get dangerous. All right, tell everybody, now we gotta cut this off. We want everybody to check it out, right? And we can start doing more builds because we've done tons that we haven't even shown. And we're more than willing to continue it. Right, Gus?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, buddy. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching our video.